This morning, I have some breaking news to share, which is that Tesla has added $1.5 billion in Bitcoin to its balance sheet and plans to accept such cryptocurrency as payment in the future. So if we take a look at Tesla's recent 10Q filing, they just said, quote, "In January 2021, we updated our investment policy to provide us with more flexibility to further diversify and maximize returns on our cash that is not required to maintain adequate operating liquidity. Therefore, we invested an aggregate $1.5 billion in Bitcoin under this policy and may acquire and hold digital assets from time to time or long term. Moreover, we expect to begin accepting Bitcoin as a form of payment for our products in the near future, subject to application laws and initially on a limited basis, which we may or may not liquidate upon receipt." So the reason this is such big news is that Elon Musk has not always been the biggest supporter of Bitcoin, but if you follow his Twitter and listen to his every word, you will know that he has been changing his sentiment over the past few weeks. He was on Clubhouse talking about Bitcoin, saying that he should have been a supporter more early on, and if you follow his Twitter, you'll know there were some things going on. He changed his profile to hashtag Bitcoin, and he tweeted it was inevitable or something along those lines, and he has been tweeting nonstop about Dogecoin, really in the crypto mindset. So for me personally, I definitely saw this coming, especially with the fact that we had the Michael Saylor Bitcoin for Businesses event that just took place a few days ago. And there was a report that a SpaceX employee, I forget exactly who it was actually in attendance. So I'm not surprised that Tesla has made this move. I am surprised that they have done it so quickly. It really shows that they are committed to what they're doing. $1.5 billion is definitely nothing to sneeze at. In fact, it's just about 7.5% of their total liquid assets. So this is definitely not a small move for the company. And I think it really is going to affect the price of Bitcoin. If you look, it has absolutely surged on this news. And that is because of the institutionalization of the currency and how more and more businesses are choosing to put it on their balance sheet and diversify away from cash and using Bitcoin as a store of value and to defend against the inflation and the declining value of the US dollar. So anyway, I thought I would just create this very short update video to say that Tesla is and has bought Bitcoin, is adding it to its balance sheet, and is accepting it or will plan to develop a mode of accepting it in the future for the purchase of its cars, which is great, means it'll be able to accumulate more and more Bitcoin. It appears that Tesla and Elon Musk are now bulls for the price of Bitcoin. I think that is nothing but good news for the future of Bitcoin and how that will continue to play out going forward. So leave any of your reactions to this in the comments below. I know some people were hoping Tesla would not buy Bitcoin or hoping they would stay away from the cryptocurrency. Don't worry, it's not Dogecoin, but I do think personally this is a great move for Tesla in the long run. Until next time.